Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yolanda King here, and I have my little sous chef baby, Leah King, and today
we're going to make Calas.
What is Calas?
Calas is a Creole rice fritter.
That is right, and it helped free slaves make a living in Louisiana. So you guys just stay tuned as we get into this yummy, good, delicious mess. All right, you want to add the egg to the cold rice. Just dump it on in. Good, you can mix it. Start mixing, and I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. Add the sugar.
And
sugar
and our whole white rice.
All right, we're going to add some salt. Keep on mixing and add our nutmeg. Cinnamon. And our baking powder. It smells good already, right?
Yeah. I can't wait to eat it.
All right. And last but not least, let me see. It smells really good. We're gonna add in our flour. Added our flour, and my sous chef Leah is gonna mix it up for me.
It's all combined. So the next thing we're going to be doing is rolling them into nice even dough balls.
Well, we're gonna use our scooper. We're gonna use a scooper, like a little spoon, and we're gonna drop them into our nice hot peanut oil. Leah has her little scooper. She's gonna drop some of those good, yummy Calas in here. And now we're gonna fry them into that crispy and golden brown. Hurry up now.
So now we're taking them out of the oil and putting them on some paper towels.
Nice and crispy.
Now,
all right, now that we added it to our plate, we're gonna dust with some powdered sugar. Lots of it. Yeah. That's it. All right, that's good. All right, now who's ready for a taste? Yeah, cheers.
what is it?
Rock it up.
Coffee with cane syrup.
Oh yeah, don't forget the cane syrup. It's a little bit sugar. Also the cane syrup. And this is a Belle Calas. Right? Yummy. Taste the culture, okay?